Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today, let's talk about a detail that's often overlooked in a Bronco restoration, the keys. Over time, the original keys for your Bronco might have been lost, broken, or swapped out for generic replacements. Dennis Carpenter now produces replacements featuring iconic Bronco badging. We offer the square head metal key blank for the door and ignition locks and the oval head metal key blank for the liftgate and glovebox locks. Each is sold separately. Both feature the classic Bronco script on one side and the iconic Bucking Bronco on the other. With a bright plated finish, they're also officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company, which means they meet or exceed the quality standards of the originals. If you're looking to put the perfect finishing touch on your Bronco restoration, check out our new key blanks for your 66 to 77 Bronco. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.